This has been 3 years in the making, and each of you guys have been invited today because in some way, shape, form, or fashion, you contributed to my success.
Kelly, well, we're here at A&P celebrating your graduation. Congratulations. Can't tell you how proud we are of you.
All right, turn 3, 4, and 5 are simple. Turn 6 and 7 is the tricky spot we call the kink. All right, it's a double apex single file line. Please no passing right there.
Kelly, thanks for having us out, man. Just wanted to say congratulations on graduating. It's great getting to know you over the last year, and we're looking forward to kicking your ass this afternoon.
Turn 2 is a little tricky. It's a 4-story elevation change to a hairpin turn. All right, at the top of the hill you're going to be driving, and it looks like the credit just falls off the side of the dirt.
Congratulations, Kelly. We just wanted to say how proud we are of you for graduating, and also we have an important group message that we need to tell you.
As your peers, we'd like you to know.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember, us meeting over 10 years ago, and we were working on cars in the driveway at your parents' driveway, and look, where you've gotten now. So I'm proud to see you as such a great husband, a great father, and now a business owner. Just extremely proud, and this is just chapter 1. I can't wait to see what chapter 2 holds for you.
We think the world of you, and it's so glad that you were able to get this done for yourself. It's something that no one will ever be able to take away from you. Congratulations, we love you.
Congratulations, Kelly.
So Kelly, I am so proud of you. You are working 2 jobs and traveling a lot, starting our business, starting our family, all these super time-consuming things, and you just, you carried on, and I am very proud of you. Can't say it enough, sorry.
Of course I love you, Dad.
Can you say it?
Yes.
You want to say it again?
Yes.
All right, say it.
I for you.
Perfect.
That was such a production.